Okay guys, back again. Just showing you how far we've moved. The steel originally was here. Okay, it's over there now. Alright, we moved about 600. All those are coming across. Almost all, except for that one at the back over there, almost all at the edge. See, here's the edge of the new sty. We're on the edge. We're already over the new sty. Like that one over there, it's over the new sty block. We're off the old one. See, the steel is no longer sitting on top of the old one. Frank's just been sitting down having a 10-minute stress break with a few select words he doesn't want to know. So it's big fun. I thought I'd just show you that. Well, you can see the light coming on the brick wall now. We were right up. We were over that brick wall before we started. You see the sun over the top. So I'll do a video at the end, show you how far away from that wall we've come. Because the house was on that wall. When we jacked it up, the house was sitting on that brick wall. Okay. Frank's almost ready. So I'm set, ready to go. Just waiting for Frankie. He's just setting up. And we'll go again shortly. I'll give you another view of this while we're waiting for Frank. Always fun moving houses, and Frank's only done it 2 times before, but always the easy way. This is a hard, doing it this way is a difficult way. It is a bit not as easy as the other way, so it does tend to build a bit of stress for those who aren't used to it. This is about the 1,000th house I've slid, but I've been doing it for 30 years. Frank's only been doing it for 3 years. Well, he hasn't moved very many houses at all. We're only stumping. Okay, you ready to fire, Frank? Pump her up a bit. There's this 15-ton hydraulic jack. We used to do it in 10-ton hydraulic jacks, but that's when they were the old light burn jacks, which were much higher quality than these copies. So ever since light burn stopped making them, they became the Chinese or Korean or whatever they are, and yeah, nowhere near the same quality. They don't last anywhere near as long. Our light burn jacks used to last years. These things flat out lasted 6 months. Okay, you push it. Not sliding yet. You can see that piece of fibro there. Give it a bit more push. Once it starts, you'll take off. It does. You're going to go anywhere. There she goes. You ready? Push, push, push.
Mine's lifting straight up.
Okay, did you hear that? Yeah, that was a bigger push. Okay, the reason why it's getting hard, guys, because we're actually pushing uphill. We're pulling that one uphill. We're now pushing up the hill onto the new sty. So it's getting a bit hard to move, but we're getting there. Frank is interesting. I'm having fun with that. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go give some love. We'll talk soon. All right, guys. Show you more in a little while. Bye.